So after all the testing, the gripping, the dropping, and the intense gaming sessions, did Breed Gaming turn the best-in-class ROG Ally X into epic comfort or an epic fail? For me, unequivocally, it's the former. It's not just a marginal improvement. It's a profound enhancement that elevates an already excellent device. The extra palm support completely erased the persistent pinky fatigue and the general hand discomfort I experienced after extended play. My hands finally feel like they belong on the device, perfectly cradling it rather than just clinging on. The install was genuinely painless, fulfilling its 5-minute promise and leaving no room for frustration or fear of damaging my device. And that tiny bump in cooling, while not revolutionary, is a welcome bonus, proving that thoughtful design can address multiple aspects of user experience. The only real sacrifices here are twofold: the aforementioned case compatibility issue with some existing cases like the JSAW, and the $33. Is that a fair trade? For me, absolutely. The enhanced comfort, the improved grip, the added durability, and the peace of mind during long gaming sessions far outweigh those minor drawbacks. If that sounds like a fair trade to you, if you crave that deeper, more secure, and ultimately more comfortable hold, then I wholeheartedly recommend you go hit that pre-order button. You won't regret it. And don't forget the affiliate link down below. However, if you're still perfectly thrilled with the stock Ally X ergonomics, if your hands never cramp and you're perfectly content with its current feel, then save your money for a storage, a new game, or maybe even just a pizza. Either way, the ROG Ally X remains the people's champ of the Windows handheld. Breed Gaming just hands it a slightly plusher, more regal throne. Question to comments. For engagement, I will leave you these questions. So what about you? What grips are you rocking on your handheld? Or are you firmly team stock for life? Drop your take below in the comments. Best tip or most insightful opinion wins a thumbs up for me, and eternal handheld comfort bragging rights. Let's get the conversation going. But guys, if I get 1,000 subs in this video, I will give away 2 of these grips with back cases. See you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.